Alright guys, very quick and easy video today. I'm going to be changing out the cabin air filter in my 2016 F150, but this is for all 2015 to 2017 F150s. So we got to get behind the glove box, and of course it's more complicated than it seems like it should be. There's some tabs here on the side that you push in, and that'll just drop your glove box down like that. And then we need to remove this rubber trim piece right here, and that just simply pulls out. Alright, then we need to remove these two 7mm bolts. And we'll just pull this piece straight out. When you're removing this piece right here, make sure that you're careful because of the switch for the light in the glove box. Just make sure you unhook that. Alright, now the filter is actually going to be back here behind this like honeycomb panel thing. And there's just some clips on either side. You can pull, and then this will pull off. And you can grab your filter and slide it out. That is disgusting. You'll notice there's a small indicator that says air with an arrow. Make sure that you put the new filter in the same way as the old one so that you have it installed correctly. All done.